sa national team. Posible po ba na pasweldohin na lang ang members ng national team? Lalo na if gagawin mo yung 30 international matches, because if given a choice, I'm sure mas gusto nito mga players na to maglaro for the national team than any club na may prejudice sa kanila.
You know, I have 4 national teams, no, and the funding I have is just enough. Although my support ako kay MVP, it's not our professional women players are, I'm sure, receiving what for 6 figures or 5 figures. I'm not so sure. Hindi ko alam kung kasuweldo na. But sa PNBF naman, for sponsors, they're receiving a monthly allowance. Not enough, at least $1,000. Yun naman ang kaya ng PNBF, but they get more sa club. I'm sure. Now, they're getting a lot of incentives from the senators. Medyo mga senador natin medyo excited. Hindi lang women, pati men, no? And pati Pitch na recognized yesterday. We were in the Senate, so all of them were recognized by the, I think, 20 senators yesterday. Especially that we need to ask their support for the World Championship next year. But I hope, as I said, the clubs, it happened to only one club na naman na yung dalawang player hindi pinasweldo. I don't want to mention names, kaibigan naman natin. But I hope they will understand na even na hindi sila nakakalaro for 3 or 4 months, they should be proud that 2 of their players are playing in the national teams. Diba? But again, I don't know the understanding of this. It's in their contract or not, but we supported them. Yung sweldo na nawala nila sa club nila, PNB na nagpasweldo. Kasi nakakaawa. And I hope, sana, hindi na mangyari ito. Because nakakaawa yung player. They're playing for the country, tapos babawasan ng club. Diba? So, we have to support yung what salaries that they're missing sa club. Although mataas ang sweldo ng mga, I know, most of our women professional players sa PBL are really receiving fat salaries. So I hope. But I also wish I told Ricky Palou to also to review, encourage the coaches to advance themselves. I'm very honest and transparent ako. I want our professional coaches to study more advanced coaching, because some of the coaches now, they think they know already. One classic example, we have the BNL, but I don't see our professional coaches watching the BNL. You have the top teams there. How can you learn if you don't come and watch? That's the problem with some of our coaches. They think they're so good already. They're not. They don't teach our players, pupunta ang national team sa national team. Siyempre, makikita mo, iba-iba ang turo. Hindi natuturuan paano mag-dig. Ang alam lang paano sa spike. As an example, I don't want to criticize, but most of our professional players, they're after only to spike. They don't know how to block. They don't know how to do floor defense. Because nasanay sila, yan ang ginagawa nila sa team nila. So they're already happy na nasa TV sila, watch dito, ganyan. So they forget, pagdating sa international, I'll give you example. There's one player na binabash ang coaching staff natin. Dahil this player, sikat na sikat sa professional league. Pero pagdating sa national team, hindi siya first 6. Hindi siya, different position. Why? Because my experience with this player, pagdating sa international, 0. Hindi siya makaspike. Laging block. Hindi siya pang international, pang local lang. But now, we need tall players that can really compete abroad. So, he could be the best player sa UAT. Pero pagdating sa national team, iba. Once they are released by their clubs, by university to be national team, they're in the national team. So, iba. Nag-iiba. You will see that also in dito sa last 2 days na Alas Invitation. It's different when they play international. Iba. Iba yung naglaro sa UAT or sa club nila. So, I'm encouraging our coaches to advance themselves in coaching and teach our players how to advance also. Of course, volleyball now is entertainment, show, TV, but our players needs to improve also. Hindi lang puro. Kasi pagdating sa international, they need to work hard. They need to block. Nakita ko nga, ibang players natin, marunong mag-block. Ang block lang, ganyan lang. Ang block talaga, ganun talaga. If you see sa DNL, di ba? Ang block talaga, talagang dito ng ulo. Di ba? And defense. So, I hope that our coaches, I'm very, straightforward with our coaches. Mag-aral kayo, watch more matches, go abroad para matuto din natin. And I'm glad it's a men's team. I have an Olympic coach, Italian Olympic coach. I have two of the best men's coach. I have Dante Alinsluni and OG Mamon, USC and NU. So maganda yung sama-sama sila, tutulog-tulog sila. And Dexter from Signal. Thank you.
Good day. Good day, sir. Quick clarification lang, no? The draw will be held in Soler. Is this the one in Parañaque or the one in
Yes.
Quezon City?
Yes.
Quezon City or
No. Dito sa Manila Bay.
Okay, so my quick question is this one. Aside from the mentioned volleyball officials, no, and that you listed earlier, will there be any famous volleyball legends or players who will be coming over?
Okay, the FIVB will be sending 3 ambassadors. Mimir from Netherlands, the team captain, is coming here to support the draw, and then Urno, the team captain of Slovenia. So 2 men players, and then I know if you remember Nutsara, best setter in Asia and one of the best in the world from Thailand. So there are 3 ambassadors coming. Mimir from Netherlands, team captain. Urno from Slovenia, team captain, and Nutsara, who retired but still plays in the club in the US, was best setter, one of the best setters in the world, coming to conduct the draw. Okay? So just ano lang, yes, one, pwede pa last na?
Cody, that's, you know, in the history of volleyball, it's only now volleyball in the country reached significant milestone under your leadership. Now, your goal not only to promote volleyball in the country, more tournaments in the country, is to develop and improve the quality of games of the Filipinos and enrich their experience. So, now, since you are preparing for the Southeast Games and other world-class competition, what is your perspective in Boston regarding the campaign of the Filipinos, of the Philippines in the 2025 Southeast Asian Games?
Thank you. Alam mo si Clyde, yung naglalaro ako, si Clyde yan. Kaya tumanda na ako, hindi pa tumatanda si Clyde. No? Kasama si Jean Malanong dyan eh. Anyway, as I said earlier, the more competitions that we participate, it will strengthen our capacity to improve more our skills in world-class events. The 30 matches in a year for men and women is so important for our national team. And with God's blessing, I wish that we improve day by day, and also isang discipline also. Yung learning from our Italian men's coach, discipline so important. Hindi ka pwede malate, present ka lagi dito. Kasi naramdaman natin maraming excuses. Ang problema ng players natin, pag sabi may injury, dadagdagan pa ng injury. And another, yung mental. I discussed this with most of our world-class teams nagdadala na ng mental coach. And I think nowadays, the new trend of sports is to have a mental coach. I think, kasi hindi natin may iwasan, maraming mga player dyan ang mental coach hindi lang natin kasi kung pamilya o love life or I do not know, but it's high time. I even spoke to Chairman Bachman na I think PSC should now consider getting mental coaches for the national team because it helps a lot, no? Now, okay na yan? Okay, just one lang
Additional announcement.
So the qualified teams based on the whatever. So the host is Philippines, world champion Italy, and then you have the Asian qualified teams Japan, Iran, Qatar, African qualified teams Egypt, Algeria, and Libya. So I didn't know Libya qualified, and then European champions qualified Poland, Slovenia, and France. France is Olympic champion. And then South America qualified teams is Argentina, Brazil, and Colombia. And then North America qualified teams is USA, Canada, and Cuba. And then the rest are all world ranking na to come up with them. So, yun.
So thank you very much and congratulations once again, Sir. That's appeal to all our kababayans and all for the hosting of the Philippines of the Men's World
First,
Volleyball.
I'd like to invite, hindi lang invite, no? June Libao. June. So, I hindi ko sabihin invite. I want to see all of you sa draw on Saturday at 7 p.m. at MOA. Medyo ano lang, hindi pa kailangan magkorbata. Basta mag-suit lang tayo kasi formal attire yun. Okay? So I want to see all of you because you have been supporting volleyball a lot and I want to see you and witness the historic draw on Saturday, 7 p.m. at Soler Resort Hotel here at MOA. And of course, I'd like to invite again, all mga volleyball fans, families, friends, boyfriends, girlfriends to continue supporting our national teams in their target to win a gold next year in the future. Thank you.
Yes, and thank you. There you have it, our PSA Forum. That's Susana, our special guest for today. Until next Tuesday, sabi po sa PSA Forum. Okay, special announcement from our President Nelson.